What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bat Daddy, and today it's our Dark Knight NFT Redeemables, and our box has a little dent in it. Not a big dent, but enough to make me a little nervous. All right, here we go. I've seen some people open theirs, and it looks like they're packaged really well. So, like I said, this doesn't seem like a big smash, but I don't know. All right, here we go. Let's see. I'll show you guys how they are. Oh, they're all kind of. Yeah, it looks like we're all right. It was this guy. No damage, really. Oh, Hercules hoop. Nope, looks like we're good. Alright. Here we go. Try not to hit the camera. So, Maddie and I pulled 5 out of this run. Episodes should be linked below or floating around here somewhere. We did get, oh god, what did we get? We got, it should be 2 royalties, Bane, Selena, and did I get 2 Selenas? Oh wow, I don't remember. Alright, well, let's find out. Here we go. We'll just start with, go from here. Alright, our first one, this was the guy that was by the dent anyway, so let's see, who is it? It is Selena, alright. Little box dust, but very nice. A lot of box dust, alright. Selena, get you over here. Next up, is it the second Selena? I know it should be, there's a Bane and 2 Freddy as Gordons. Oh, here's one of the Freddys. There you go. Another one, a little bit of box dust, a little bit, but very nice. Always got the. I love when they do like the badge. I can't wait. Oh, hopefully he's got a nice thing spinning around here. Nice. Gotta cut through that. Quick. All right. Here we go. Put you guys over here. What is in here? Is there? Oh yeah, okay, so it was. Yes, I did do Selena, 2 Selenas. There we go. So, our second Selena. You guys, you get him up here so I can drag out his little glam shot. It is Bane, because you guys already saw the Freddy. So, get the Bane up here. We're spinning him around here. That is nice, very nice. Let's see what you're seeing. Oh, look at that. Well, not the helmet. Is the helmet cracked? Yeah, it looks like the helmet's cracked too. That is very nice. Alright. Alright, everybody. Well, there it is. Our Dark Knight NFTs. So here, let me spin these guys out a little bit better. We got 2 Gordons. 2 of the royalties. 2 Freddy as Gordons. The Bane, that is. And 2 Selenas. Alright, everybody, there you go. hopefully they do part 2 to this year. That would be awesome. And alright, anyway, always be hunting, and remember, no matter where you go, there you are. Alright everybody, until next episode. Bye.